In this video, we'll be looking at brackets live preview. Live preview is an extremely cool feature of brackets that can rapidly speed up your HTML and CSS development. To begin, let's make a new file. Create a new file with Control-N, and we'll save that as index.html. Now, create a new CSS file. Just create a new file, and we'll just call that main.css. So let's go back to our index, and we'll create a div tag, and our div tag will say hello. Now, go over to the live preview icon, which is located at the right side of your screen, and click on it. Live preview will launch a new Chrome instance with your web page open in it. Here we can see the text we've written, hello. If we write in new text, you can see on the right side that it updates automatically. HTML will update most of the time. However, support for HTML in live preview is not great at this time. However, support for CSS is quite good. Let's add a link to our CSS file. If you have Emmet installed, type link and press tab, which will create a shortcut to your link. Now, type main.css. Refresh the page on the right. Now, add a class, and we'll say class equals wow. And press Ctrl-E to open your quick editor, and press Enter to rapidly create a new rule. So we'll say color equals orange. And size is 20 pics. Close that and refresh the page. Now that it's updated, we can make live updates to the CSS file. So we'll change the color to blue. And we'll change the font size to 36. And we'll change the text align to right. So that's one feature of the live preview in CSS and HTML. Let's add another rule. So in your index, type span and press tab. And in that span, just type brackets is cool. Now save that, and over your span, press E and create a new rule. And we'll just say color is green. And save that and refresh the page. Now our span has appeared, and that is now linked in brackets and the editor. So we can change the styles and say color equals blue, and font size equals 100 pixels, and position absolute top 200 pixels. As you can see, this is an extremely useful workflow if you are a designer adding CSS to files. Live Edit also supports JavaScript files, but the page must be reloaded. Let's create a new JavaScript file. And we'll just save this and call this main.js. And in main.js, we'll type alert brackets. Now go back to index and type script and press tab, and we'll just include the src equals main.js. And refresh the page. Now let's update this script and save that. As you can see, it was automatically reloaded when I updated the code. So I can continue to develop my JavaScript in this manner. So I hope that's been a glimpse into live preview. Live preview is very powerful, but once again, it's mostly suited at this point to doing CSS. Hopefully in the future, support for HTML and JavaScript will improve as the brackets project matures.